Hello! Today I have a recipe for Spanish donuts and nests for you. They're very easy to make and delicious. Be sure to give them a try at home. Here's a list of the ingredients you'll need. You can find the same list in the description below the video. I'll also include a link to my blog below the video where you can find all my recipes. And here we'll need 50 grams of butter, a glass of water that's 250 milliliters, a pinch of salt, and we'll bring it all to a boil. Then we'll add a cup of sifted wheat flour. Mix everything vigorously so that the ingredients combine and the mixture comes away from the pot nicely. After that, we'll set this mixture aside to cool completely. We'll add 3 whole eggs to the cooled mixture. Add them in batches, and with the mixer going, add more eggs. And we'll do this until the ingredients are combined into a uniform mixture. The mixture will be very thick, and it should be like that. We'll put it into a pastry bag with a large star-shaped tip. And squeeze it onto paper greased with oil. As for this paper, it's about 8 by 8 centimeters. And this is how we squeeze our donuts onto parchment paper. I yielded 12 donuts from this batch. Heat the oil to a temperature of around 175 degrees. Fry them for a few minutes until they're golden brown on each side. This paper comes off after a minute, so we can take it out of the pot. And the donuts, I think, are about 4 minutes on each side, but you have to watch how they brown for you. Finally, we frost them. I've prepared a thin icing so that you can still see the pattern of this donut, but you can prepare the icing you like. The donuts are ready. Delicious. Be sure to make them. Of course, you can also find the recipe on my blog. I warmly invite and greet you.